So Jessica, my first question for you. Who is Jessica Margo?
OMG. I think that's like the most difficult question that I've ever gotten, ever. But okay, who is Jessica Marco? If I'm going to be asked, like, kunyari, today is 2018, I'm going to be Jessica Marco, the sister of Joseph Marco. It's always like
Mm,
that, you know. And you know what, Miss Eunice, back in the day, yun nga, I used to not naman hate, pero I kind of dislike being introduced as ganon. Because to me lang well, ako lang to, I think it's just my insecurity or I don't know. Kasi parang I leave the impression na parang mas natatandaan ng mga tao na instead of my name, mas naaalala nila na, ay, siya yung kapatid ni Joseph Marco. Parang gano'n.
mm.
Yeah. And back in the day, ayoko talaga noon. Parang naasar ako na parang, may sarili naman ako identity Wow. May mga gano'n.
Oo, totoo. Mm, mm,
Oo.
mm.
But
So
then,
parang
Miss
nagiging
Eunice,
shadow
eto,
ka. Nagiging
parang
shadow ka nung ano, ganun yung dati nung 2018.
yeah. So ito nga, and then pandemic happened, and then I had the time to really reflect and reconstruct my mind, ganyan. Wow, talagang nagtawag dito. Talagang I pondered over that thought na what's wrong? I think kasi parang people would be interested to be in my position. Hindi ba? Kasi parang
Yes.
it's
Mm-mm.
it's not everyone na merong kapatid na artista in the industry. And so, ayun nga, reconstruct ko yung brain ko, ganyan. And
Mm-mm.
right now, if you're going to ask me, this 2021, who is Jessica Marco? I think Jessica Marco is the next
Ay,
big thing
gusto
who
ko yung,
happens to be the
gusto ko
sister of
yun,
Joseph Marco.
panglaban. Oo, kasi minsan kasi 'di ba mafe-feel yung realization dumarating when we stumble. Alam mo yun, yung difficult times. Tapos parang yun yung time na magre-reflect. Sabi mo nga kanina, magre-reflect ka about your life, your career, your goals, your journey.
Yes, yes.
Oo. So ngayon, baka dahil feeling ko blessing din ng pandemic eh, no,
Blessing
Jessica?
talaga siya, oo. Kasi nabigyan talaga ako ng space to really think and be grateful kung ano man yung meron ako. And really right now, Miss Eunice, as in, every waking moment, talagang I feel very grateful na kapatid ko si Joseph. You know that?
Mm.
It's such a privilege talaga to have a brother na nandiyan na sa industry and ako sunod na lang ako sa kanya, parang ganon.
Kasi siyempre
Mm,
kahit ikaw nagkakaroon ka ng comparison, 'di ba? Ay, lalo na yung tao nagkakaroon ng comparison. So,
mm.
understandable na nape-pressure ka. So, siya parang ikaw, "Wait, wait
Oh,
lang, kalma-kalma lang guys, may time din ako, hintay lang."
oo.
Gano'n, 'di ba?
Oo naman, grabe naman kayo. Pero ayun nga, pero right now, I use that as tawag dito, as a fuel na
Mhm.
parang to be more focused on the goals that I have. So ayun, and yun nga, parang naging fuel talaga siya na everyday gusto ko talaga maging better ako. Parang gano'n.
Hmm, one step at a time, 'di ba?
Yes, one step at a time. Mm-mm.
Kasi alam ko yung iba, akala nila kasi 'pag yung impression ng iba 'pag meron na silang kamag-anak sa industry, madali nang makapasok. Kasi sabi nga nila 'di ba, it's who you know. Yung pala based on your answer, hindi. Parang ano lang siya, one step forward tapos ikaw na yung gagawa ng destiny mo, tama ba?
Yes, yes. Actually, that's very true talaga. Because, okay, kapatid ka nga niya and, tapos, tapos,
Mhm.
parang ganon. So, you really make your own destiny. So, yan, tama yan talaga.
So curious naman ako, ever since ba kahit bata ka pangarap mo maging artista?
Alam mo, Miss Eunice, to answer your question, oo, bata pa lang ako. As in, alam mo yun, pag nagsi-CR ako, magsasalamin ako, tapos nagkukunyari ako na ini-interview ako ni Tito Boy, tsaka ni Ate Chrissy. Yung mga ganon.
Yung yung may salamin sa harap, anong sasabihin mo sa
Oo,
salamin?
oo, tama. As in, nagpa-practice talaga ako. Tapos nagpa-practice ako na nagpa-plug ako ng mga teleserye ko, mga gano'n. Tas minsan pa with ano pa yun, with iyak-iyak na parang ano, alam mo yun, para lang ma-testing ko kung kaya ko bang umiyak, kung kaya ko ba yung ginagawa ng mga artista, gano'n.
Oo, oo, oo.
Yeah, bata pa lang ako, pangarap ko na yan.
Pero
Mm.
kailan mo na-realize na ito yung gusto kong career?
Um, Actually, kasi when I was maybe mga 14 yata, I was mga
Mm.
grade 6 ako.
Mm.
Sinasama ako ng mga friends ko noon na ano, mag-talent, ganyan. But then, ano, pinigilan ako ng tatay ko kasi sabi niya parang kailangan ko nga daw muna mag-aral, mag-focus muna ako sa studies ko. And then after ko mag-aral, papayagan niya daw ako mag-showbiz. So,
Mm.
ayun. So, I guess, bata pa lang talaga ako. Gusto ko na talaga siya.
Feeling ko ako kasi galing ako sa traditional family. So, syempre
Mm-mm.
pag sa family, 'di ba, parang dapat graduate ka sa ganitong school, ganitong course. Tapos after graduation, dapat ito yung career mo. Yung pagiging for me, for example, as a makeup artist, dati kasi hindi siya nakikita as profession, 'di ba?
True, true.
Pero ngayon, parehas kasi tayong artist in just a
Ah,
different genre or
yes.
'di ba? Pero we're looking at this as our career, our goal, our
Yes.
journey. Mhm.
Uy, oo naman. Right now, ang pagiging makeup artist is something na I look up to talaga. Mm. Kasi
Mm.
kung wala kayo, pangit kami lahat. Parang gano'n.
Totoo 'yan, totoo 'yan.
Pero totoo, di ba? Nasa kamay niyo
Mm.
talaga yung magiging itsura namin. So, very, very essential talaga. And, it's a profession. It's not just, it's a
Mm.
makeup artist. Yeah, it's a profession.
Totoo. At saka pagiging actress, hindi siya gano'n kadali. Kasi 'di ba yung iba, parang iniisip dahil nga may connection ka lang, gano'n, maganda ka lang.
Mm.
Hindi 'di ba? Dapat may talent
Yes.
ka.
Yes. And aside from talent, I think it's really your endurance kung gaano ka magiging matatag with the industry. Lalo na kasi it's very challenging, lalo na ngayon na may pandemic. It's not every day na lagi kang may project. So, yun
Mm.
talaga endurance talaga on how strong you will hold on to your dream. Talaga,
Mm,
yun talaga yung
mm.
challenge. Mm.
Hindi lang siya dahil gusto mo, passion din siya. Kasi passion drives you eh, 'di ba?
Yes,
It
yes.
yung kahit na pagod ka na, puyat ka na, hindi mo nafi-feel 'yun.
Yes,
Mararamdaman mo siya after.
and alam mo yun, kahit anong pagod mo, at the end of the day, alam mo yung matutulog ka na masaya yung puso mo. Parang gano'n, nakangiti yung puso mo kasi ginagawa mo kung ano yung gusto mo.
'Di ba halimbawa ako as a makeup artist, 'di ba parehas tayo mahaba yung oras natin sa work.
Oo, lalo na
Tapos
'pag may
nakatayo, 'di ba, na hindi
oo.
wala pang upuan 'yun.
Oh,
So ako
yeah.
hindi ko siya nafi-feel 'pag nagwo-work, nararamdaman ko na siya after. Pero alam mo
After.
yung feeling mo ng appreciation about your job, yung yung tap mo sa shoulder, "Yes, survive ka
Yes,
today." At saka
yes.
parang feeling mo ang galing mo today. That makes you drive more, to do more for
Yes.
your passion and for your work. Naalala ko yung mentor ko, sinabihan ako ng gano'n, na parang, when you're working in the industry, you need to be kind to everyone. Kahit taga timpla lang yan ng kape. Kasi
Yes,
bilog ang mundo, 'di ba?
totoo.
A lot of successful people start from below and they gained
Totoo.
'di ba?
Mm.
Because of experience, tumataas sila. So, baka sa baba sila ngayon, pero eventually after 10 years, director na pala sila, producer na
Yeah.
pala sila.
Uy, alam mo, Miss Eunice, that really happens Like, for example, yung production assistant namin, after 10 years, ngayon, director na siya. It really
Mm,
happens. Mm-mm.
mm.
Mm-mm.
Eh, 'di ba sa industry, mas naaalala ka nila 'pag may ginawa kang hindi maganda. At umiikot
Yes.
ang ano, 'di ba?
At mabilis
Balitang
mag-chismis.
industriya. Totoo 'yan. Sasabihin nila, ay naku, diva-divahan diyan. Medyo
Oh,
ano, ayoko ng drama sa show, tanggal siya. Di ba totoo
Totoo
yun?
po yan.
If you can advise starting people to enter the industry, specifically to be an actress or actor, what will it be? Best advice.
My profession right now is heavily influenced talaga by my kuya. And si Joseph, ano kasi yan eh, parang ano yan, parang, ano bang tawag doon? Parang, basta marami siyang mga words of wisdom sa akin palagi na parang lagi akong
Oh, mm.
ina-advisean yan. That's one of the perks of being his sister. And I love it and I appreciate it so much talaga. Pero yun, what he kept on telling me over the course of my journey of being an actress, he would always say this quote na success happens when preparation meets opportunity. And which
True,
is super
true.
on point. Which is super on point. And then from every time na naririnig ko yun, nare-refresh talaga yung mind ko na dapat talaga every day, I have to be better than who I was yesterday. And
Yesterday.
I do it, yeah, and I do it by very lang, nothing grand, but I start by taking care of myself even more, ganyan. I exercise, hindi naman perfect yung diet ko. I still eat fast food from time to time. Pero yun nga, I became mindful of the things that I put into my body, mga ganyan. And I started reading books, ganyan. So, yun, I guess the best advice that I could give is, sa industry na to, there will always be someone who's better. Better when it comes to acting, mas maraming connection, mas maganda sa'yo, mas talented. But at the end of the day, ang laban mo dyan is yung how do you present yourself and kung paano ka naniniwala sa sarili mo. Because how you see yourself, that's how you will present yourself. So better work on yourself first and then put yourself out there. Whoa!
Wow! Gusto ko yun! And thank you.
Thank you. And I think more than that talaga, it's really your attitude. You just have to be kind all the time. Just be kind. Yeah. Yun
True.
pala yata talaga yung biggest advice. Start being kind.
Ang sarap magsabi, be kind everyone, be kind. Masyado na maraming nangyayari sa mundo. Kindness should still
Kindness.
be there.
Yeah, kindness should be the priority of everyone. Lalo na ngayon, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan.
True. Kailangan natin tsaka I think understanding as well. Kasi
Yeah.
'di ba, minsan kasi 'di ba alam ko sa pagiging artista, some people say na suplada si ganito, suplada si ganyan sa personal. Pero 'di ba minsan yung iba may pinagdadaanan baka pagod, 'di ba? Ikaw
That's
ba
true.
nasabihan ka na ba ng gano'n, suplada ka in person?
Hindi pa naman. Hindi. Lagi akong nakasmile. For some reason talaga, lagi akong nakasmile sa mga tao. Kaya nga inis na inis ako sa mask. Kasi pag naka-mask tayo, di nakikita yung smile ko. Pero lagi talaga ako nakasmile. Pero yun nga, people should understand din na hindi porket artista, wala na silang nararamdaman. And what if hindi talaga maganda yung gising nila today? Or what if may kaaway sila na hindi natin alam, 'di ba? May pinagdadaanan. So, yeah.
Totoo.
Pero alam mo, Miss Eunice, share ko lang, dito kasi sa viral, parang lahat talaga ng tao, good vibes talaga. As in, lahat masaya, lahat mabait, lahat ng artista, alam mo yun, very, parang pamilya talaga, ganyan. And I'm very lucky na mapunta sa ganitong production. Kasi from the directors up to the production assistant, lahat talaga mabait, lahat masaya, alam mo yun. Ang saya lang.
At saka
matapos to.
true. Tsaka yung parang you're looking forward to another day of work. 'Di ba? Lalo na kayo locked in, magkakasama kayo talaga. So excited ako para sa next project, Jessica. And I know mas maraming darating and excited and looking forward ako to to see you on screen more and to see you
Thank you so much.
Malay mo naman, makita na kita sa EDSA, Jessica, ha?
Sige, pangarap ko rin yan. Gusto ko magka-billboard. Sige, one at a time.
Pero
This means a lot talaga.
it's a good motivation. That will be our next
Oo.
goal.
Yeah. Pero it's one
So, thank
thing
you.
din kasi na when you believe in yourself, diba? That's one thing. And it's another thing when other people starts believing in you. And it's such a big thing. Thank you so much, Miss Eunice. Talaga, this means a lot. I kept on telling you how thankful and grateful I am for the friendship that we've made, diba? And for believing in me. And thank you talaga, Miss Eunice.
And thank you, Jessica, also for being a genuine friend. Alam mo yun, kahit hindi naman, hindi tayo ganun katagal magkakilala. Pero, that moment, alam mo yun, yung parang ang tagal nating magbabarkada on that day.
Yeah,
And,
that's true.
kaya thank you for collaborating with me in this episode. And I know lahat ng mga nanonood na to, mai-inspire to, diba, to follow their dreams. Yung parang to follow their passion. Kasi, paano nila malalaman kung hindi nila itatry? Sabi mo nga kanina,
That's
diba?
true. Just go for it.
True. Just go for it. Test it. If it's for you, at least na-try nyo. Wala kang what
No
ifs.
regrets.
Oh yes,
Yes.
wala kang regrets, wala kang what ifs. So, ganda ng takeaways. So, yung mga viewers natin today, sana nag-enjoy kayo. And, please like and share this episode. And we will create more episodes for you to learn and to be inspired. So, again, this is Eunice of Chat with Eunice Zavala. Bye!